So association with times and forms. We need a constant refusal to think that this is real. I mean, of course, the body was born here or is here and not there, but it's not who I really am. This is just what happens to a fragment of myself that is the body. And she says, as we realize this results in the absence of futile longings, expectations, sad memories, brokenheartedness, etc. Because all these things have to do with identifying myself with this particular body. There is a sense of being in touch with those we love, even if they are away from us, when we begin to be more intuitively aware of our higher nature, which is always in touch with everybody we love. So the sense of separation diminishes, even if we cannot be physically with people. So this is the first work that Blavatsky proposes. And I'm going to lead you into a meditation, how we can try to work with this. And then we are going to discuss, have the question and answers and discuss this a little more. So let us now do the meditation. If you can sit relaxed in a firm position. So breathe slow but naturally. Now begin by being aware of the limitations of your body. Even if you are not looking, you have a sense of where your body ends. Pay attention to that. Pay attention to the sense of being within the body. As you can see, there is a clear sense of where you are, how far you extend. Now, we all know there is an aura around us. So now imagine that you are actually occupying a little further beyond the body. You know, think perhaps of what you call your personal space. How far does it go? At what point you feel somebody coming closer is getting into your personal space? Try to have a sense of the area of that personal space. It doesn't have to be very exact. Just have the sense that your presence actually extends beyond the body. Now, this is an arbitrary limitation. Different countries have a different sense of personal space. So now try to expand a little your sense of presence. Maybe you can imagine that there are very thin threads from all directions, from in front, at the back, right, left, on top, and at the bottom of this sphere of your personal space. And think that these threads gently expand that aura until it embraces the room in which you are. Take some time to do that. Have the sense that you expand in all directions into the room. So can you feel, try to feel that the body, you are not within the body is within you. You are the sphere within which is the body and the other things that are around in the room. Now again, visualize that there is a further expansion, maybe to contain the house or the building in which you are. You can imagine these threads gently pulling in all directions, expanding your presence. Imagine yourself as in the periphery of the sphere. Everything is within you. Plants or pets, objects, people in the house. You are containing, embracing in the sphere of your awareness everything that is in your house. Maybe visualize your body sitting on the chair and you are far above, embracing the body and everything else. In your practice, you can continue with the gradual expansion, but don't go too far. Go slowly, trying to have the sense that you actually are occupying that area. But now, to finish the meditation, think of the sphere of your consciousness expanding infinite in the universe. Forget about the sphere. You are in all space. Just have a sense of stretching out infinitely. Have a sense of what it means. I am in all space, boundless, infinite, all embracing, omnipresent. And stay in silence for a couple of minutes with that sense of infinite expansion. Now slowly regain awareness of your body, but try to retain the sense that the body is within you as this sphere of consciousness. When you are ready, you can open your eyes.